What makes dragon fruit so special? Well, did you know that it comes in vibrant shades and colors? It's like nature's own artwork. This is a vast dragon fruit plantation under the bright sun in Vietnam. Harvesting dragon fruit is a team effort. Dragon fruit kicks off as a cool flower. At night, this flower comes to life, showing off its fancy petals, white or maybe pink. That flower eventually turns into this amazing fruit with a very eye-catching skin color. These farmers use efficient methods to gather the fruits. The harvesting process of dragon fruits in a large-scale production setting is a critical stage that requires precision and efficiency. Typically, the fruits are ready for harvest about 30 to 50 days after flowering, depending on the variety. Harvesters carefully assess the fruit's maturity, checking for firmness, color, and size to determine the optimal time for picking. The fruits are then transported to the sorting and processing area using conveyor systems, streamlining the movement of the harvest to maximize efficiency. In these vast establishments, a combination of conveyors and manual labor is employed for meticulous categorization. In modern dragon fruit production facilities designed for high efficiency, advanced sorting machines equipped with scanners play a pivotal role in the post-harvest process. These cutting-edge sorting machines are seamlessly integrated with special conveyors, forming an automated system that swiftly and accurately categorizes dragon fruits based on predetermined criteria. The scanners utilize sophisticated technology to assess crucial parameters such as size, color, and quality with remarkable precision. As each fruit moves along the conveyor, the scanners generate real-time data that informs the sorting mechanism. The conveyor system is specially designed to accommodate the automated sorting process, ensuring a continuous flow of fruits through the system. The washing process involves the use of specialized equipment, such as high-pressure nozzles and rotating brushes, which work in tandem to remove dirt, debris, and any residual contaminants from the fruit's surface. In addition, water treatments may be employed to enhance cleanliness and reduce the risk of microbial contamination. For those designated for export as whole fruits, the dragon fruits are carefully packed into containers suitable for transportation. These packaged dragon fruits are then transported to distribution centers, from where they can be shipped to regional and international markets. In other process lines within the dragon fruit production facility, where the fruits are designated for value-added products like juice, a series of specialized steps are undertaken to extract and process the succulent content of the fruit. Depending on the scale of production, peeling may be carried out by skilled labor using hand tools or by automated machines designed for precision and efficiency. The dragon fruits undergo careful cutting to expose the juicy pulp. This cutting stage can be executed by hand in smaller-scale operations or, in more extensive facilities, through the use of advanced machines that are equipped with precision blades to ensure consistent cuts, maximizing the yield of pulp for juice extraction. The extracted dragon fruit juice is directed to filling machines equipped with precision nozzles that carefully dispense the juice into individual bottles. The bottles move along a conveyor system to the capping station, where automated capping machines secure the caps onto each bottle. After bottling and capping, the labeled bottles move to the labeling station. In the production line for dried dragon fruit snacks, the process begins with the careful selection and washing of dragon fruits, similar to the procedures in other production lines. The fruits are directed to automated cutting machines designed specifically for creating uniform circular shapes. The circular dragon fruit pieces are then arranged and placed into large-scale drying machines. These drying machines are equipped with controlled temperature and airflow settings to dehydrate the fruit slices gently. The dehydration process removes the majority of the water content, resulting in a lightweight and shelf-stable dried snack while preserving the distinctive flavor and nutritional benefits of the dragon fruit. The production line for frozen dragon fruit involves the cutting of the fruit in uniform pieces, ensuring consistency in size and shape. Flash freezing is a rapid freezing process that utilizes extremely low temperatures to freeze the fruit quickly. This method helps to lock in the natural color, flavor, and nutritional content of the dragon fruit while preventing the formation of large ice crystals that could compromise the texture. Frozen dragon fruit is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of culinary application, such as smoothies, desserts, or ice cream. If you're curious to delve deeper into the fascinating world of agriculture and food production, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Your engagement helps us continue bringing you valuable content. Stay tuned for more insights, tips, and exciting information. Thank you for watching The Smart Farm.